Alright, hey traders, we're going to have a quick market update, so let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright traders, so we're going to have a market update and I just want to share with you a few things that I'm seeing. Now, this is the weekly chart. Let's go over the daily chart. This is the daily chart. You can see what happened. Markets. Well, you can see what happened, which is basically the market's just closed right now, and that was basically the closing bar. This is the S&P 500, which is up, less than 0.2%, 0.1%. Dow Jones was up close to 0.5%, and then we also had the Russell, 0.5%, not much. And then the Nasdaq was the weakest out of all of them. If you have a look at that, but also like Google, if you have a look at Google, I noticed Google is starting to get, look at that, Google's just been getting thumped, absolutely thumped in the last couple of days. So not sure what's going on there, but yeah, you can see what's been happening there. So you can see on the overall markets, guys, that we're still really weak. I am looking at these markets, guys, and I've been saying this now for about a week or so, but we are getting ready for a turning point, guys. Like the market itself is actually telling me that we're likely to get a turning point. Now, when I say the market itself, I mean the price action. I mean the chart. You're getting these strong sellers come down through here, and then you got these sort of weaker buyers through here. Big flag, right? We're likely to start doing this here. Not only that, but all my other research that I've been doing as well too is showing me that we're likely to head down. Now you look at the Dow Jones, right? Look at the market starting to poise to the high side. Now, yes, guys, we can keep getting a little bit more upside. That is possible, but as I've been saying these last couple of weeks, that the market is really weak, and it's struggling where it is right now. It is really struggling where it is, and I don't see too much more upside. Yeah, I don't see too much more upside. What I do see is that the market runs down through here. If the market runs up, we may get a little bit upside, but overall, guys, we're going to start doing this. And then when that happens, we may actually get the pullback. Now, well, no, if that happens, we will get a drop to the downside. But by looking at that, guys, I actually have a target on the Dow Jones for the short term anyway, of these highs back here. So I actually see where it is right now, it having, probably a good 15, 20, even a 20% drop is likely to happen in the US market. And so that's what I'm saying, guys. On the daily chart, it's showing me that we're getting ready for a turning point. Dow Jones, even the Russell is there as well too, and the Nasdaq is there as well too. The charts are showing me that we're likely to get a pullback, and everything else is happening through there. And you notice this, guys. Like look at this. You noticed like even on the Dow Jones that yesterday's bar, we had this sort of market came down. So with this, the market was down almost one, it was down 1.4%. And then it came up to close about almost 1% to the high side. So that's actually a nice reversal bullish bar. But then notice this bar here. If that was a really nice bullish reversal bar and the buyers are coming in, and I did a video the other day, and someone said, "Oh, the buyers are coming in, long live the bull." I'm like, you're nuts. And so so you can see that it closed where it is. It closed, this day here didn't follow through. Now, what you do expect, especially after that, like you can see here, right? You can see you had these sort of sideways days through here, and you have this big up bar. Well, that's actually a quite strong directional bar. You'd expect follow through, but nothing. Come back down. Look at that, and it was actually down, came back up, closed there. It's actually a really strong higher close. You'd actually expect at least a nice, decent follow through, but it ran up, came down, and just basically doji day, nothing day. So I am seeing a lot more downside coming, guys. Again, we've got the jobs report coming out tomorrow, which is Friday, in the US, and I do see that, guys. Yes, we may get a little bit of upside. We may get a big spike, knee-jerk reaction. But, you know, guys, and if that does happen, then next week we're likely to start rolling over, and then we're likely to start coming straight back down. Hey, it's John Howell here, and thanks so much for watching my video. You see, I'm putting out daily videos and education on helping you learning the art of successful trading. So click on the subscribe button to keep up to date with every video I do. Also, check out my story video, $250,000 in debt, cancer, overweight, family passing away, lived on the streets, and more, and how I overcome it and now thriving through my life. This is here to motivate you, so click on that image to watch my video. And lastly, if you're struggling with your trading, then you need to see my latest webinar where I'm sharing with you an amazing strategy that allows you to generate an income without getting the direction right. So click on that image on this page to register for my next free webinar. This is John Howell here. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.